It's extremely easy to produce self-adhesive labels with a Cartest machine Series CE150 due to its simplicity and flexibility. It's the most advanced version of a machine series already sold worldwide for many years, in thousands of configurations. Besides self-adhesive labels, the CE150 can also be used to produce hang tags and fake leather labels, and to print narrow fabrics. The extreme sturdiness of its components assures a long working life, even with high production rates. The double toggle joint pressure mechanism guarantees a high operating speed and elevated thrust power, with minimal energy consumption by the printing and die cutting units. The maximum web width is 160 millimeters. The pull-out cliché and die cutter holders have a working area of 150 by 150 millimeters. All the machines are equipped with a motorized unwinder, an automatic stop at material end, devices to stop the machine at foil end, an automatic suction device that assures constant tension at the infeed, and a final rewinder, available in different versions. The basic machine, the CE151FE, which we present here, is complete with a hot stamping unit and a die cutting unit. The feeding positioning system ensures centesimal precision thanks to a stepper motor and advanced operational software. A powerful motor supplies the hot stamping and die cutting units with pressure movement. The working pressure can be adjusted by means of 4 micrometric screws. It's also possible to rotate the cliché and die cutting unit in plane to allow fast regulation. The units come with a crosswise foil feeding device controlled by stepper motors. The label die cutter can be the traditional type with steel screws, or have steel plates supplied on a special magnetic drawer. A heated economic magnesium die cutter is required for plastic materials. The final rewinder separates the matrix and rewinds the labels. All the machines in Series CE150, even in the basic configuration, are able to carry out virtually any type of operation: the printing and embossing, or the printing and die cutting of fake leather, or the printing of narrow fabrics. Optional accessories and devices can be added to the machines if necessary, thereby extending their range of applications. For example, the basic machine, the CE153 FETR, can perform several operations in a single step, such as printing, embossing, die cutting, rewinding and matrix removal. A series of accessories is available for the CE150. An unwinder for applying a bi-adhesive backing, a high-precision photocell array, which assures perfectly registered overprinting, a single or double hole punching device for hang tags, double heating on the printing unit, allowing alternate printing on the front and back, a double box for embossing, an unwinding device for applying lamination film, a second photocell unit that reads pre-printed marks for hologram application, a longitudinal foil feeding unit, which on some types of jobs saves foil and gives a higher output, a scoring device for folded tags, a mechanical progressive or regressive numbering device, an end cutting unit, also available with an independent motor controlled by keyboard to program the cut independently of the printing cycle. Both cutting units can kiss cut or micro perforate. You just need to change the blade. An anti-static device used when cutting textile labels. A stacking unit for hang tags or visiting cards. A rewinding unit with 3 shafts, 1 to remove the matrix and 2 for rewinding the labels. And a longitudinal slitting device. A laser technology die cutting unit that allows extremely accurate die cutting without the need for traditional tools. The laser functions and cutting powers are computer controlled. The modular structure of CE150 machines allows different configurations. A whole series of operations can be performed in a single step, giving a combination of high productivity, ease of use, reliability and flexibility.